All right, so now that we have these set up, we have our user answers, and then we've actually select whether or not it fits with one preference over another. So let's go down first off to this user A preference. So the user A preference means that my preference as user A matches user B's preference or user B's answer. So I'm going to award them the points that I find for them, right? So I'm going to say user A, I want the user A points, so user A answers dot their points. So this is the points that I actually want to give them. So I'm going to say awarded equals to that. So those are the points that I'm awarding to them because they share the same answer as me. Now these points are based off of our importance level. So how important I find their answer to be. Right? So if I find it very important, then they are awarded a certain amount of points. But that also means that there's going to be a total amount of points out there somewhere, but we'll worry about that later. So I'm going to add total awarded though. So up here, I'm going to say total awarded equals to 0. Right? And then this is going to give us awarded. So after that, I'll print out total awarded. And we'll see what this is. So let's go ahead and run this. I'm going to copy these, the whole thing. I'm going to have to get rid of these spaces because of the Python shell. All right, so let's copy this whole thing. Go back into the shell. And we see that they're awarded 0 points based off of the latter user. So user A awarded, so user A total awarded is really what we're going to be doing. And I'm just going to add it, so I'll say plus equals to that. And then we'll say user B total awarded equals to 0. And it's going to be the same thing. This time, user B total awarded is plus equals to. Now it's going to be the user B points. User B answers dot their points. So again, this is now user B awarding to user A. So now let's try this again. And we had a little bit of an issue here. Print these two. Copy that, paste it in. So now we see the actual points that are there. So user A and then user B. So user A and user B. Let's also print out these users and we'll print it to the users that they're awarding. So we'll say user A and total awarded to user B, and then user B total awarded to user A. Okay. Let's do that one more time. And now it's saying Khaleesi gives 0 to James Bond, but James Bond gives 200 to Khaleesi. So this is giving us, it's starting to give us some sort of match, right? But since I awarded that, these aren't equal, right? Because we've changed the different sizes to them. And also the fact that one person's giving 0 and the other person's giving 200, there's some sort of average here. And that average is actually what we need to figure out. So I'm going to stop it here, and we will come back in the next one to discuss how we're going to do these averages.